What is going on, everyone? If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ariel Diaz, and today I finally have the new iPhone 12 Pro. I'm super excited. I'm sure a lot of you have seen already the unboxing on the new iPhone, but this is my unboxing and I wanted to show you guys real quick. So this video is going to be really short because I want to be able to install this before my carrier closes, and then I have to wait until tomorrow. So let's just get to it. As you can see, the new boxes, and I'll just pick one from the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So just gonna show you real quick the difference in how slim the box is this year compared to the 11 Pro Max. So you can see real quick a comparison and how small the box is. And the reason why is because, and I'm sure you guys know, but I'm just gonna say it again, is because in this year's new iPhones, there is no charging brick, no earphones, just a little booklet tells you terms and conditions and then your connector for your phone. That's all you're getting this year with the new iPhones, all models, the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So before I get to this, I know you want to see the revealing of this beauty, but I just wanted to show you this new design it's actually not new because the iPhone 5S and the iPhone 5 and the iPhone 4, and I have these from the past. This was the best, I think, for me, the best iPhone design ever. So I don't know if you guys remember the iPhone 5. It was all flat, it wasn't rounded like the last previous generations. Awesome phone, it feels good. The square of the phone, it feels good on the hand. And this is the iPhone 4. And there it is. So I have these collectibles, pretty cool. All right, now let's just get straight into this. I decided to pick the Pacific Blue. They come in a bunch of other colors for the Pro version. So we have Graphite, Pacific Blue, Gold, and Silver. No more Midnight Green. So now what everybody does, and it's time to do it with you guys. Now let's enjoy this moment right now. That was a bit satisfying. All right, now let's see what's in the box. Wow. I'm sure everybody does that reaction, right? Wow. But look at that Pacific Blue. It's nice and subtle. It's not like the iPhone 12, the blue version. So it's Pacific, so it's like kind of oceany color. But while seeing it in person is, you know, something, oh my God. All right, I'm gonna put this to the side real quick. And like I said, just the cord, little pamphlets, and you know, let's just see what's in there. So we have USB-C to Lightning. So if you guys are previous owners of iPhone XS and older ones, you don't get this charger, I believe. I think I'm right on that. But if you guys are owners of the iPhone 11 and older, those are the models that came with a USB-C to Lightning connection. So that means that the brick is not USB-A. So you have to, when you buy these phones now, you have to get the dock separately, which is, I think it went from $30 to $19.99. So that's the only sucky part. I have one because I have an iPad Pro and I had my old iPhone 11 Pro Max, which I give it to my wife. So she's enjoying that phone right now. And now the booklet. So we just basically get one Apple sticker, SIM ejector tool, little information, terms and conditions agreement, yada yada, the little case for it. And now to peel. And this is pretty cool. So this year they have a white screen protector. And it's, I don't know if you guys can see, but they have like little designs here on the side. So it basically tells you the volumes, the power button. Now let's see if we can hear it. That was pretty low, but wow. So now this year, because of the new design, the screen is super flat. It doesn't curve on the sides. Like if you guys have, I think my box just fell from the wall. But it's flushed, so the screen is all flat, which is really nice. You can tell the difference when you're using the phone, because I used like one of the models at one of the stores, and it was like super flat, and it just looked and felt different. Good feeling in the hand. And now the stainless steel on this Pacific Blue is obviously a fingerprint magnet, so just keep that in mind. I mean, I never use my iPhones without a case, so I have ordered a bunch of cases, which I'll make a video of that, and because I like changing my cases maybe every other day. That's just one thing that I like doing. But I won't use this phone without a case, because if you drop it, then that's it. You have to spend a lot of money fixing it and all that stuff. So I'm excited about testing the new cameras this year. Just a minor upgrade. I mean, if you guys are 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, I don't really recommend upgrading unless you just want to be up to date, just like me. I always say, oh, I'm never gonna upgrade, but I end up upgrading anyways. But I'm interested to see how video is this year, and with the LiDAR scanner, which is the little black dot underneath the lens there. Apple this year came with a lot of cool features for video and pictures, with a lot of software that's in the phone, software that's coming at the end of the year with, I think it's called Apple Pro Raw, I believe, which all means, like, you know, they upgraded some things here and there, but basically it's just going to give you a little bit more better pictures and videos and performance, especially with the new 14 chip. And it has instead of 4 gigabytes, it has 6 gigabytes of RAM. I don't think the 12 and the 12 mini have 4 gigabytes of RAM, so which means it's like a powerhouse, especially with the 12 Pro, and then when the 12 Pro Max comes out in November. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do a bunch of videos, a lot of cinematic videos, pictures. I mean, this is the future. We're not gonna be using cameras like this that I'm filming on now. It's gonna be all about the phones. So I think that pretty much sums this quick video of this unboxing. Just look at that color, the sides. It's a gorgeous color, besides the fingerprints. But yeah, and also one more thing, 6.1 inch screen this year. There's no more 5.8 like the iPhone 11 Pro. So that's a little bit bigger, but I mean, you can't complain about having a bigger screen. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is gonna be 6.7, which is bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max by 2 inches. So keep that in mind. That, I mean, I came from a 11 Pro Max, and that was, I got used to it and it was big, but this one I think is the perfect size for anyone that has a decent size of hand, medium to large, or, you know. Just please make sure, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, just leave a comment down below. And like I said, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go shower, eat, and then boot this up, and I'll keep you guys posted. This was Ariel Diaz. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.